Good morning, everybody, and welcome to week 5 of Strategic Management. I hope everyone's having a great week so far and enjoying the class. If you have any questions, always feel free to let me know. But in week 5, we're going to be talking about chapters 9 and 10 of the textbook. And as you can see, Dr. Agee's got another great presentation for us using Panopto. Let's see what we're going to do this week. Because obviously we got those 9 and 10 chapters. Let's see. You got day 1, you got the week 5 devotional. We also have a discussion board question where you have to respond by day 3 and have at least 2 responses by day 7. And I'm going to try to respond to everybody in this class. It's been kind of my goal and kind of stayed on task with that. So hopefully we can stick with that. But if for some reason I don't answer your questions or respond to your post and you have something that you want to ask me, feel free to let me know. I'm definitely available for you as well. You also have the week 5 quiz, which is due on day 7, and the week 5 analysis and application questions due as well. I want to go ahead and talk about week 6 assignments. Let me see if I can move some of this stuff. Okay, let me click on week 6. Because I know that week 6 is one of those things that people get nervous about, and there's definitely some big parts to this project. So I want to call those out so you can go ahead and get started on some of the stuff as well. So in week 6, we're going to have a paper. So I definitely recommend you looking at this, kind of looking at the company, and really trying to figure out all the different things we talked about in this class. We're going to have a paper, and we also have a video presentation. So that may take more than just a week to do. So if you get a chance, I would start looking at that currently and maybe start working on some of that stuff as we speak. But if you have any questions about anything, need anything from me, feel free to reach out. Thanks and have a great week.